Hi, welcome to the SMCHS channel. This video is going to instruct you on how to use Focus Assist. Focus Assist is essentially a do not disturb for your tablet. To turn this on, click the notifications icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can turn on Focus Assist to either priority only or to alarms only. This allows priorities that you set up to pop on your screen, or for only alarms to pop up on your screen. This allows you to better focus on your work with the distractions of notifications being removed. Next, right-click on Focus Assist. Click on Go to Settings so you can customize this feature. Here, you can edit exactly what you want enabled or disabled with Focus Assist. You can customize the items when Focus Assist is enabled with your priority times, your alarm times, your game times, and when you are at home. Here, you should also leave checked the box that says show me a sample of what I missed while Focus Assist was on. Click on the notifications icon again, and on top of receiving a summary of your notifications, you can also view all of your notifications right here in the upper right hand corner.